Question for you. Do you make as much money as you want? If the answer is no, watch this video. I'm going to show you exactly how the 7-step process to make an additional $10,000 to $30,000 pay raise within 90 days. I use this to show people all over the world how to do this and how to do it in a repeatable manner where you can do this time and time again. This is the exact strategy that I use to triple my income in less than 2 years. And I'm going to share it with you on YouTube for free. So hey, Dustin F., career coach. Prior to this, I worked for Nike for 20 years. I've worked for multiple Fortune 500 companies where I've interviewed over 10,000 people. I've hired thousands, and I've helped over 100 people move up in their career and make more money. And today I'm going to show you my 7-step process that helped get me unstuck, triple my income in less than 2 years, and you can use this, steal it. It's free. So here we go. All right, 7-step process to gain $10,000 to $30,000 on your salary within the next 90 days. All right, so step 1 is goals. You have to have a goal. What role do you want? How much money do you want to make? What do you want your work-life balance to be? All these are very important. And number 4, where do you want to live? So get crystal clear on your goals. After that, look back at every position that you've had. What are your key wins? Write down 3 key wins from every role that you've had. And this needs to be specific and measurable. Not just, hey, I was a leader for this company. It was, hey, these are the results that I gave and this is how I did it. All right, UVP, what makes you valuable? What is your unique value proposition? Everybody has a unique skill. What is your superpower? This is what you need to get crystal clear on so you can share in these conversations and interviews that really highlight what you're world-class at. And pro tip, if you need help with this, and I've said this in other videos, get 10 people to define you in one word. What is your superpower? Get 10 people to give you 3, and then go through, make a list, and what jumps out? What is the repeating message that you're seeing? All right, number 4. If you're moving up within the same company, it's one thing. You still have to network. If you're changing industries, this is so important. And I did a video on this recently about the hidden job market and how 80% of jobs are never listed. They've already got somebody picked out and they end up getting that role. So you need to network strategically and get in those inner circles so you're already in the forefront of their mind and you are already seen as the person for that role. All right, number 5, elevator pitch. The most important thing that you can do. You can actually win interviews within 30 seconds to 3 minutes max. Being able to walk through what your unique value is, what are your key wins, what value are you bringing to this role, and how are you the answer for their problems? So simple. And if you get really good at this, like I said, you can win the interview before it even starts. All right, number 6, interview prep. Have 10 to 12 examples of different things that you've accomplished and how you got those results. So people, product, process, people, sales, process, whatever that looks like for whatever industry you're in. But have 10 to 12 that you can go to that really tell a compelling story. So what was the situation? What was the objective? What action did you take? And what were the results? And if you can do that, you can answer any question they throw at you because they'll try to throw you off. So have those dialed in. It's easy. Then last but not least, salary. So do not wait till the very end to negotiate salary. This needs to be talked about up front so you can, you don't want to get a certain offer and then you're, fighting for $1,000, $2,000, $5,000. You can raise that level if you start that conversation way before the end of the process. So that is a quick way to get an additional $10,000 to $30,000 promotion for your next role. So yeah, high level, know your goals, know what you want, identify your key wins, know what makes you special, your unique value proposition, network like a pro, have your elevator pitch dialed in, interview prep, have 10 to 12 answers that you can use at pretty much anything that they're going to throw at you. And then salary negotiation, do it early. So that is my 7-step plan that I've used and that I show people all around the world to move up and make a lot more money much quicker than they would going through the traditional process. So if you know somebody that needs help, have them reach out. I'll put a link below. But yeah, that's it for this video. Check out some of my other content, and I'll see you on the next one.